Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to show you some styles that we did while our hair was flat ironed. And these styles, two of them, they were inspired by 123 Go YouTube channel that my daughter watches all the time, and she wanted to try out these styles. So let's go ahead and get started with these styles. That was just us because she was playing with her hair. But overall, we did enjoy this style. Some hair accessories to bring out the full effect of the waterfall because we couldn't really see the rubber bands because they matched her hair color. And here I'm just doing some pin curls for the bottom of her hair to keep that bumped in since we aren't able to do a wrap with her hair since the waterfall is in. And I'm just deciding on different places where it would be best to pin the that, oh gosh, I don't know why I can't think of what it's called. The pin curl, sorry. I'm trying to figure out how to pin the pin curl so that way when she sleeps, she won't knock them down and it'll be comfortable. So I'm just playing around with the placements of the pin curls. And then I finally decide to put them very high up on her head. So that way, wherever she tosses or turns at night, the pin curls will be secured. The final results, and thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.